All right, so in this diagram, we're given a few things here that says that AB and AC are both the same at 8. So this side is the same as this one. And then you've got this angle inside here that's 2 7 pi radians, or 2 pi over 7 radians. So the circular arc BC has center A. So this arc right here, they're saying is a center here. So that's the center of that circle. So there's a circle that kind of goes around here with that. So that's what they're saying, where the center, well, it would kind of look like that. So that's pretty close to it. Has that center A, that circle. And then it says that the circular arc CD, so this arc right here, has a center at B. And ABD is, ABD, so ABD is a straight line. It wants to say, show that the angle CBD, so from C down to D, C down to B over to D, so this angle right here, show me that this angle is 9 pi over 14. Or 9/14 pi. It does. I like to say the pi on the top. I don't know if it really matters. I guess we can say it like that, pi radians. So how can we figure this out? Well, look, check out this triangle first. Okay, what kind of triangle is that? Where this side and this side are the same. That's isosceles. So an isosceles triangle has congruent base angles. So this angle is the same as this angle. Okay, so how could we find that? Well, there's 180 degrees in a triangle, but these angles are measured in radians. So what does that mean? Well, 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. That's the conversion. 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. Well, I've already got this top corner is 2/7 pi. So if I take away the 2/7 pi, so it's like 1 pi minus 2/7 pi would equal 5/7 pi. That's how you would get 1 minus 2/7 is 5/7 pi. So I have that much radians to split between these two angles, 5/7 pi radians. So let's split the 5/7 pi. Let's divide it by 2. And if we divide that by 2, it's the same as multiplying by a half. So if I take 5/7 in the calculator divided by 2, I'll get 5/14. So I have 5/14 here and here. If I take 5/14 plus 5/14, 5/14 plus 5/14 is 5/7, and 5/7 plus 2/7 is 1, and I get 1 pi. So I've basically done the same thing where I add up all the angles to 180, but I've done it in radians. So I found out what this little angle right here is. Well, now check this out. It told me that this line was a straight line. And a straight line has to have 180 degrees to it, right? Or pi radians. So this is pi radians. I've used up 5/14. So let's take 1 pi minus 5/14 pi. And that would give me 9/14. 1 minus 5 over 14 is 9 over 14. And that's how, and that would be what I'm given, right? That's what I'm trying to prove. And I proved it because I found these base angles for an isosceles triangle, and they have to add up to give me pi. So 5 over 14 pi plus 9 over 14 pi gives me 1 pi.